doctor, you have healed me. You are not alone. It took you far too long to see. Time loads once again. Don't leave me now. Think of all we've done together. Think of all the vanquished foes. Think of all that we could be. It would be hell for me, imprisoned here forever with you.
No, please, you've got to, please. We're the only ones left. Please, just regenerate!